So today I'm gonna be showing you like a tour of my backpack. So yeah. Wait, the screen's gonna go black or red. What do you think? 3, 2, 1. Black it is. Okay, I'm sorry, that was just weird. Like how weird can it be? Okay, I need to stop. Like actually. Okay. Okay, so my backpack is right here. Let's bring your girl over here. Oh, bring your girl over here. I'm gonna, hold on. I need to switch spots. Okay, there we go. Ow, freak, that hurt. Okay, so first, let's start with the big pocket. There's so many pockets to this, like, oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so first, what I see is this a binder that says Slay Queen. And it has a bunch of Slay stuff in there. And this one is just like a plain pink binder. And right here it's just like a really cute and peppy notebook. I don't know what got on that. It's probably water. And then, like, this one. Oh. I don't care about stuff. Okay, anyway, we got this little notebook that has like flowers on it, and then this notebook that's just like tie-dye and it's 5-star, obvi. Okay, the backpack's literally fine. And then we got sunglasses right here, skincare headband for some reason, and slime, metallic purple slime. I don't know why that's in there, just like slime. Yeah, I totally don't play with it on the bus. Okay, anyways, we got a My Melody notebook. It is so cute and it has boba on it. Freaking boba. Wait, hold on. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me do a transition real quick. Ready, 3. Wait, hold on, I'm switching. Okay, ready, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, no, it's just my hair. I don't know if that was good or not. And then, got like a comb right here. The picture there because like I need to fix my hair. And then like a scrunchie right here. And then this is just like, right here is just like a sticker by number. It's just like a page. And it has like, and it has like stickers that you put on the page. And it has like numbers on it to show you what to put on. And in here is just like a planner, I guess. Okay, I don't know. Okay, next pocket, I guess. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, this might be my favorite pocket yet. Like, hold on. Look at this. So, don't look at this side yet. Don't. So first we got like my little makeup pouch. We got like elephant here, lotion, my favorite lip gloss, another lip gloss, chapstick, Hello Kitty. There's a Hello Kitty chapstick, Squishmallow, strawberry lip gloss, and like, what is in here? I have no clue. Let's see what's in here. Oh, like fidgets. So like we got like a dimple right here. Wait, this isn't really satisfying with this. Hold on. So satisfying. Then we got another puppet that's mini. Let's see if this does like good pops. It's good, but yeah. And then we got the snail. He's gonna look into your eye. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. You squish him like that. What are you looking at? No, you're not looking. Please don't make fun of me. I don't know why I said that. Okay, just put that back in there. And then we got, let's see what sign this is. This is like, hold on, let me see. This is just like, hold on, let me show you it. I don't know this camera with my feet right now. Come on, open. Okay. Oh, this is like the one that always gets messy. Look at these like sprinkles. It's like sprinkles. And it's just like pink. All it is just pink jelly. Oh my gosh, why does it look red in the camera? I don't know, but I'm telling you, it's literally pink. See? And then, like, I know it's like satisfying, but like, it's really messy. Like, look at this. Ready? One way drop. It's just like, one already dropped. It's just like really messy. But I still do really like it, as long as I just like keep it in the container and with it. And just hold on so and then we got like this kiwi one. Kiwi slime. This one's actually like really good. It smells like kiwi too, and it's just like really clear slime, like clear slime, you know, like clear green slime. And it's actually pretty sketchy until you do like really fast, like very fast. But yeah, it's really satisfying. So yeah. By the way, I got these at Target, like a whole full kit. But I got it in San Diego. I don't know. This is like an orange. It's like the same one as the pink, but a different color. And hold on, let me do this one. This one's like way better than the pink because it has no like messy sprinkles. So this is what the pink should look like. That one like break damage with sprinkles. And then it's so hard to film with feet. And then this one's just like bubble gum. Let me smell it. Ooh, wait. I smell like strawberry. Wow. I wish y'all can smell this. Oh my gosh. It's like bubble gum. Like real bubble gum. Holy cow. That tastes good. That smells good. If I tasted it, then I'll just get chemicals in it, basically. Ow, my foot. Doing it with my toes. And then anyway, this is like my notepad. It's so fluffy. Look at that fluffiness. Oh, my feet are free. And then in here it's just like a bunch of different colored Sharpies. Here, I'll show you. It looks really dirty on the outside, but it's not. Like, see, like black, orange, green. I'm trying to get every single color. Brown, yellow, slash lime, blue, red, like a navy blue, purple, like leprechaun green, and black. I couldn't really tell through the camera, so I didn't like look at it. got like this really cute notepad that says, "Today I'm grateful." And I just messed up this whole thing. It's like pink, blue, orange, yellow Sharpies, and we got a pink eraser. It looks orange though on camera. This one is orange. This one is pink. This one is pink too. But yeah. And we got like the sticker, the bestie sticker, 3 brands. Even though I have like 6, 10. But it's like always 3 friends if I'm with them. If I'm with a friend, there's always 3. Me, and then another, and then another. So that's why I have like this sticker that has 3 hands. Because they're all besties. Duh. And then right here we got like cute markers. This one's blue, like light blue. This one's light pink. My 2 favorite colors. And right here is just like some, normal pens. And then that's it for like this book thing. I don't know what it is. Like, what is this? Why do my hands look so dirty on camera? They're not in real life. Holy wow. Okay, and then we got like, for keychains, I got this little like cat thing with sparkles in it, and we got a sparkly flower and a strawberry. On, let me zip this up. Oh no, not the feet. Oh god. So, I'm sorry, I can't film and look. I can't film with my feet and look at this, what I'm doing at the same time. Ooh. Anyway, in here is nothing, because that's where like I pack my snack in the morning, like for school. Like you have to have a snack, or else you're gonna be hungry until lunch, And then case, an invisible pen, and I was like, wait, should I write something? Oh no, not feed again. Okay, whatever. So at least I have 2 hands, so we're gonna write. Select. Oh wait, it doesn't even show. So it doesn't. I'll just write it on my skin. Oh, it got a big bruise. I'll just turn it around and then I'll write it on my arm, I guess. So wait, I already did, didn't I? Yeah, but that's all. Wait, can you see that? Slay. Wait, what's that say? Slay the day. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. I promise. Toe out. Kind of slowly so I can see what I'm doing. See? It's kind of running out of ink though. I don't know. I just got it. That's weird. Look at my toes. Look at my dogs. We got this part right here. I will take out one at a time. Okay, one, Duffy. Like a expo marker. Oh, and I got other ones too. Stay right here. Just stay. Can you see me? Can you see the mirror? Yeah, just stay right there. Okay, so, and let me just here. And I got like these colorful expo markers. They're Beyblade markers, which I erase. So yeah, I'm gonna bring these to school too. I just forgot to put them in my backpack. That's all. So I got this one. Oh, I'm so sorry. I broke my tripod. And then we got red, green, and color black. Up, school, and ta-da. I don't know why I have this my school supplies in my backpack too. Maybe just like extra. So we got a glue stick and another glue stick by a different brand. I'm gonna get, wait, what do you guess? Another brand of this or another brand of that? Because there's one more. 3, 2, 1. Comment down below if you got it right. Wait, I have an idea. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. It's raining glue. Come out of the sky. Oh my gosh. Okay, guess what's next in here? It's gonna be really hard. So we got a really cute bracelet. Gosh. I didn't know that was there. Oh. First time looking at 3, 2. Do you think it's gonna be another bracelet? Bracelet or a glue stick? I already gave the answer, but bracelet. Oh, look at this one. It has like a crown. Look at that crown. And then just put that in there. Just glue in there. And we are done. So yeah, I'm just gonna close this all the way and open the big pouch and shove it. I can't see nothing. Shove it in there. It'll fit. And that is the end of my backpack tour, so bye! Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and so you just don't miss another video, because this is not a quick video. Okay, and anyways guys, bye! Oh, wait, bye! Bye, don't look at me.